education, you will never.
Okay, wait, sure.
How's it?
Yeah, ke sharp mfethu karai.
Now, Shab, were you smoking weed?
I know that's really fun. I don't smoke weed.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, you can ask your
Yeah,
question, Mikey.
my king. The question I wanted to ask you is that is it possible if there's anyhow traders can know the direction of the event before it occurs? Yeah, but,
Yeah, there is a way, my guy, ne?
yeah.
And that way, it's especially for the first time, it's not going to cost you less than 1 million rand. So if you have one, I'm being honest. If you have
Yeah.
1 million rent, if you have 1 million rent, you can tell me. But 1
You.
million is more like a first time fee. After that, it goes down to 200, 300,000, depending on the number of news you want. Oban.
Ne, yeah.
Yeah. So
Yo,
do you have 1 million?
ay, wale
So
turanta
when
ka
you are
tayo.
high, ne?
Eh,
You were smoking weed, ne?
wala. But that ko ra aga motolo kor ko motolo smile but so like obelela lo do yeah just give me like the pleasure like I've always like been wanting to talk to you about you are a role
Yeah.
model to me so like talking to you really yeah, it gives me the pleasure and joy that at least one time I got the opportunity that's why
Yeah.
I'm laughing like this because like it's always like been something that I've been wishing like to have one day. Yeah,
Yeah.
but yeah, that's
No,
just how
no.
it is.
All right. No, I totally understand, my G. Do you have any other question as well?
Yeah, do brokers? I want to know about like the event section, the economic calendar. If there's anyhow brokers manipulate the event before it occurs.
Okay. There is that is a very great question. Eh?
Yeah.
For example, there is what we call volatility. Ne? When the market is volatile,
Nah.
and
Yeah.
that happens during news release. So the broker itself has no control over how the event reacts at that particular time.
Okay.
So this is how it works, my G.
Mm.
During news release, the candlestick moves faster than zero point 0.1 second. I don't know what they call those kind of seconds, but it's extremely fast. And it makes it impossible to accept all orders which are pending at that given moment. That is why, even though we are using the same broker, the entries the pending orders were at the same place, but the entries are at different places. You understand? And it
Okay.
took me owning a broker to understand that. You understand how
Okay.
deep that
Yeah.
is? From a
Yeah. I
distance,
get. I get it.
I thought XM is manipulating me, but they are not
Nah,
doing anything. You
they're
understand?
not
So,
doing
so
anything.
for me to understand that, it's because of volatility. So even if you ask the main manager, because I have access to talking to the main manager of the whole MT4 thing, he will tell you that no, it's because of news release. It happens to almost any broker in different pricing and times. You see?
All right. No,
Yeah.
no, 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 no. I get it.
That is why if you set a pending order when there are no news, it can never move because the market moves properly. And when it reaches your order, there is space for it. But during news, everything happens so fast, the system cannot be able to manage everything in nanoseconds. It's impossible.
So like for when like what would be your advice if I want to like catch the news very fast when the volatility is high.
Okay, market execution, you will never experience any manipulation because you are literally entering before the news starts. So, in order to avoid that, the best way is to do market direction before the news. But if you're going to be using pending orders, you cannot escape that. The best way is for you to lower your lot size so that you can reduce I mean, so that you can be able to manage your entire risk.
Yeah, I totally understand now.
All right, I no problem, my guy. But you still look high though, but it's fine.
I that's stress with sharp sharp.
All right, chap chap. Guys, our ready metil, go with a neti. Our ready metil, ay. Go with a net, marra. Our ready metil. Yo, okay, let me look for another one. Wait, does it allow me to add a person directly from the comments? Oh yeah, it does it. Yeah, I think it does now. Yeah, I think it. Sorry, it does allow me to add a person from the comments. Yes, perfect. Yeah, so it's gonna make it easier if I select from the comments because the request have people who requested long when the live started and they're no longer watching anymore. My G, how's it?
Coach.
Hola.
I'm good, and you, man?
I'm okay. I'm okay, man.
Yeah. Hey, you see, the comments are crying for this question they've been asking. We need to know, man.
Oh,
we need
what's
to
up?
know.
What's up?
Tell me, what's up with these robots?
What do you mean? You mean if they are working or not?
Yeah, if they work, I see these people are asking the system of the robots, what's going on? Do they work?
Okay.
Also, my friend, let me tell you. And my friend also sent me this PDF about robots, and he says it works, but I don't believe him.
Okay, let me make it clear, my king. You see, as I'm speaking to you right now. There is no robot in this entire world that can trade better than me. Now, this simply means that a robot it works, yes, but there's always a limit as to how long it can work for. Meaning that a robot cannot make you a millionaire from 1,000 rands. It can only make you a millionaire if you're already a millionaire. A robot will give you what you are. If you are trading with 100 rand, it can give you another 100 rand and a couple of 100 rand, then it ends there. If you have deposited a million, it can give you another million and it ends there. So it cannot, most people have this mentality that they're going to be depositing 500 rands and the robot is going to be making it millions. That's impossible. If there's anybody selling a robot telling you that, is lying to you.
Oh, yeah, that's what I told my friend.
Yeah, so the robot can make money, yes, but there's a limit.
Oh, so it's real value.
Yeah, it's definitely real, but there's only so much that it can do because it's not a human. It can't think. Sometimes you have to make a decision. For heaven's sake, Ramaphosa just spoke today. It has affected rent for to be positive, meaning that now you must go and sell USD to ZAR, right? But a robot, if it's already on the opposite direction of that trade, it wouldn't know that Ramaphosa has spoken. That's the negative part. It cannot keep up with the reality. Yes, so that is why I'm saying there's only so much it can do.
So wait, coach, when trading currencies, strategists don't wait. You must just listen to my events. Listen to the events and then you're good.
Yeah, if you're doing fundamental focus on events, my guy. You will never go wrong.
I know, I hear you. Because over here, I want to just show you something. A trade I was doing, was analyzing a few days back.
Okay.
Yeah, it's me. My mentor taught me SMT. I don't know if you know about it.
What? They taught you what?
He taught me SMT.
SMT. What is SMT?
In smart money trading.
Oh, okay. Did your mentor recommend any broker to you?
Smart money trading.
Did your mentor recommend any broker to you?
I didn't recommend.
Okay, at least that's a positive
I asked
thing.
him which brokers. He told me about Veracity, Trade 245, and
the local one.
FxPro.
Oh, okay. All right, that's better.
Yeah.
No, I don't know anything about smart money concept, my game, because
What's your broker?
It's FBK Markets. Now I don't follow
broker?
things. I don't follow things which don't work for me. So the smart money concept thing, I don't know it. I don't want to lie to you.
Yes. Okay. Let me just show you first.
Okay.
This is it. So basically, we have order blocks and all this shit. So then there was a break of structure, and then it touched the order block, and then it just went up. That's what I was predicting. So I want to know if the strategies also affects gold, because I was trading gold over here.
Any event which is under USD affects gold, silver, Nasdaq, US 500, yeah, Bitcoin as well, yeah. So it does. Gold gets affected by only USD events or USD news in general. Yes. Besides USD news, it's just normal supply and demand.
All right. Thank you, coach. Hey,
all right.
I'm going to sleep. I'm tired as fuck.
All right. Thank you, Mikey. Hola. Yeah. So next person that I can add. Hey, now guys, totally smart money. What? To me, it's like asking me about anal sex. I don't know anything. Anal. So when you're asking me about smart money, I have no idea what that is. I would be lying to you. I only know economic calendar. You see events, and that's it. That's what I know. I don't want to lie to you.